Hey guys, welcome back to Robu. Hope you guys are staying safe in your houses. And today, this video is a very short video and we're going to talk about the differences between a microprocessor and a microcontroller. So stay tuned. So the microprocessor just consists of the CPU and not anything else. The RAM, ROM, everything that you have to connect is external. Whereas the microcontroller has a CPU, a RAM, ROM, everything built inside it as one chip. So that's the key difference that a microprocessor and a microcontroller have. So the other differences, main differences that are there between a microprocessor and a controller, because we have to connect components externally to a microprocessor, the system cost is high, whereas the system cost in the microcontroller is very low because everything is built in. Microprocessors are built using the von Neumann architecture where the program and the data are stored in the same memory, whereas the microcontrollers are built using the Harvard architecture where the program and data or memory are separate. Microprocessors are used for general purpose applications that allow you to handle loads of data, whereas microcontrollers are used for application-specific systems. Microprocessors are complex and expensive with a large number of instructions to process, whereas the microcontrollers are simple and inexpensive with less number of instructions to process. These are the key differences between these two components. Hope you enjoyed this quick fun video that we made, and if you like this, leave it a like, subscribe on that, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.